so I recently purchased, oh my gosh, what is this called? The Melt Cosmetics Blushing Pinks Full Lip Set. And yes, it was quite pricey, but for whatever reason, I was like, I need this. Why? I don't know. But anyway, there are 4 lip liners, and then you get 4 lipsticks, and I really like pink lipsticks, especially like nude pinks. So I bought the whole collection and I thought I'd put them on and swatch them for you. Okay, so each comes as a set if you buy them separately. So it is Flush and Ghosted come together. I'm really excited about Ghosted. It's like this frosty pink. And then you can get Rosette and Pink Noise together. And then you get Mocha and Love Note together, just so you can kind of see like an idea. And then Toast and Grunge, which is a darker combo. Obviously you can mix and match these as you choose, but I'm gonna save Ghosted for last because I'm actually gonna leave that on my lips. So let's go ahead and try Toast and Grunge. I do like that the pencils, they are pencils, and they are quite a nice size. What I wasn't expecting was that these lipsticks, for as much as they were, are so freaking tiny. But like, I don't know if it's just the container's tiny and you still get like a decent amount of product. I don't know, but let's go ahead and try this one first. This is Grunge and Toast. The lip liners glide on really nice, and then I like to pat it out and get a blend. And then this is Grunge lipstick. It smells funny. It's a nice deep dark color if you like dark lipsticks and dark lip combos. You probably really like it. I actually like how it looks, and I'm not accustomed to using too many dark combos. My lips are gonna be so red after this. They just, I don't know, my lips are super sensitive. The next combo we'll do the Mocha and the Love Note. There should be some longevity to these because it took a little bit to get that lip liner off. So here is Mocha lip liner. Well, that's crazy. So I just opened the lipstick and the bottom of the lipstick came out. So this glue is not sticky inside of there, so just be careful. So this is Mocha and Love Note. Okay, now we're gonna do Rosette and Pink Noise. I like this one. It's a little lighter. I feel like I'd go with a little darker lip liner though with this lipstick. The last combo we're gonna use Flush and Ghosted. I feel like, I don't know if this is gonna be a little too pink, and then like, you know what I mean? I don't know. Hold on, let's see. You see how pink that is? I don't know if this is gonna be too pink. And then here's Ghosted. Ooh, this one's so pretty. I really hope I like it. Oh, it's so frosty. It's so frosty, but I don't think I like this with the tone of the lip liner. I feel like if I'm gonna do it, I'm probably gonna use Rosette or one of the darker ones. So hold on, let me hop off. I'm gonna come back and show you what combo I would actually use, because I don't know, I just don't like this combo. I actually really like Rosette and Ghosted together. I just think the tones of them for my skin tone just look better together. So I think I'm all about like a frosty pink. So anyway, there is their full, let me tell you what it's called again. Melt Cosmetics Blushing Pinks Full Lip Set. So there they are. There's all the swatches. Okay.